Hello students, welcome to EduFunday. I'm your chemistry mentor for the topic Standard Enthalpy of Formation Thermochemical Equation. Let us see what is standard enthalpy of formation. The definition is the standard enthalpy change for the formation of 1 mole of a compound from its elements in the stable state is called standard molar enthalpy of formation. That means जो molar enthalpy of formation है उस केस में substance की quantity fixed है, that is 1 mole. So the example is H2 when reacts with half mole of oxygen, it gives 1 mole of water. So for this reaction, or we can say enthalpy of formation of water is equal to minus 285.8 kilojoules mole inverse. Next is thermochemical equation. Thermochemical equation involves energy change. That means कोई chemical reaction हो रहा है तो उस केस में या तो energy release होती है या energy absorb होती है. So there will be some energy change during the chemical reaction. So there are various steps to write thermochemical equation. Now consider a reaction that is combustion of alcohol. Combustion means reaction हो रहा है alcohol का with oxygen. So here is the reaction. So step 1 is equation must be balanced. जो equation है, जो chemical equation है, that must be balanced. That means number of moles of reactants should be equal to number of moles of products. So let us balance this equation first. So there will be 3 in front of O2. That means stoichiometric coefficient of O2 will be 3 in reactant side and stoichiometric coefficient of carbon dioxide and water will be 2 and 3 in product side. So this is the balanced chemical equation. Next, that is step 2 is physical state of reactants and products should be mentioned. जो physical state है reactants की, products की, that should be mentioned. For example, जो हमने chemical reaction लिखा है उस केस में जो alcohol है that is present in liquid state, oxygen is present in gaseous state. This carbon dioxide that is getting formed is present in gaseous state and water is formed in liquid state. So this is the equation. Now value of delta H must be mentioned with an appropriate sign on the right hand side. That means जो delta H है उसकी value mentioned रहनी चाहिए on the right hand side. So this is the value of delta H, that is enthalpy change for the given reaction. और ये जो हमें enthalpy change given है ये हम जब forward direction में move करते हैं ये उसके लिए होता है. So step 3 is if delta H value is positive. अगर delta H की value that means enthalpy change की value positive है, so that means the reaction is endothermic in nature. Endothermic means energy absorb हो रही है during the reaction. And if the delta H value is negative, now what does that mean? कि जो energy है that is getting released during the reaction. और ऐसे reactions को हम बोलते हैं exothermic reactions. What is step 4? If the reaction conditions are not mentioned, then the conditions are 298 Kelvin and 1 atm. अगर किसी reaction की conditions mentioned नहीं है, that means वो reaction standard temperature और pressure conditions पे हो रहा है. That means जो standard temperature and pressure conditions रहती हैं those are 298 Kelvin or we can say 25 degrees Celsius and the standard pressure is 1 atm or 1 bar. So step 5, that is next step is delta H of forward reaction is equal to minus delta H of reverse reaction. Yes, अगर फॉरवर्ड रिएक्शन का डेल्टा H दैट इज कंबस्टन ऑफ एल्कोहल का डेल्टा H है हमारे पास माइनस 1430 किलो जूल्स पर मोल, दैट मीन्स जो रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन है और रिवर्स रिएक्शन है उसका हमारे पास डेल्टा H आ जाएगा माइनस ऑफ फॉरवर्ड रिएक्शन दैट इज प्लस 1430 किलो जूल्स मोल इनवर्स. And step 6. What is step 6? Enthalpy of an element in its standard state is considered to be 0. अगर कोई एलिमेंट अपनी स्टैंडर्ड स्टेट में प्रेजेंट है then in that case the enthalpy of that element will be considered as 0 because standard state में वो एलिमेंट कोई रिएक्शन नहीं देगा. Neither it will go under exothermic reaction nor endothermic reaction. So, enthalpy is considered to be 0. That's all for this topic. Thanks for watching.